Flamingo. Behind me is the airport. I hear a bunch of those tour helicopters behind me. I don't even know the name of this place, but let's do a quick little walk around. Let's go take a look at the good shot of the strip real quick though. This is what I was talking about right here. Look at this view of the strip. You can hear the tour helicopters like every 5 seconds. You have MGM Grand over there. You can see Motel 6. If you can make it out, yeah. Red, white, and blue. It's July 5th, I believe, now. Got a helicopter coming in right now. Let's take a look at him. Kind of see a little light over there. There might be another heli over there. I think those are Polo Towers. Oh no, Polo Towers, and then it's Grand Vacations, I believe. MGM. Iconic. I'm gonna walk down this way, see what we see. Cool. What's that? Classic car over there. Einstein Bros Bagel. I think I've had them before. There's plenty of them around Vegas. Let me search up the name of this place. Across the street. Nice view of everything. I'm gonna go turn around back to that storefront over there. Looks so much better in person, but wow. So that's Flamingo over there, airport. Club. Okay, I'm gonna go head back to the front. Maybe this is where you should watch fireworks. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my, well, I'm working on the weekend video, walking tour. There we go. Then I have the Shakira walking tour. Then the UFC 317 stuff on my channel you gotta check out. Club 36, I like that. So. Cool. Like Miami or something. Bluegreen Vacations Club 36. Can't really make it out, but I can see the South Point from here. I'm almost to the front. Bluegreen Vacations Club 36. Got a screen up there. Wingnuts Tavern. Smells good. Over there you have a UNLV, I believe. I remember getting stuck in traffic there. So probably right. Nothing really much over here, so it won't be too loud. Let's go over that subway. It's pretty close, but it was really exhilarating. I was just trying to record this right here and I heard that. Subway, Vegas Best Pizza, Nail Spa, Hookah Lounge, beer, liquor, wine. Yeah, what time is it? 10:30. This is the pizza place. Super Vegas Best Pizza. East Tropicana, 384 East Tropicana. Meat lovers. Can't really see what it says from here. The script, it's too small. Business hours. And then Nail Spa. Hookah Lounge, Starbuzz. Starbuzz Hookah Lounge. Lick stall. superliquor.com. Whoa. Watch out for that. Liquor store. That about does it. Grand Rapids Club 36, Las Vegas.